Welcome friends to this edition of live session of Let's Script series. Today I am going to discuss about security in PowerShell. Security is a nightmare when you are talking about the script. As scripts are by nature written in plain text, they have very little protection of their own. Any normal text editor can open any script and modify it with very ease. In our production environment, this is very difficult to maintain. If somebody has access, they can modify the script and then the outcome can be very disastrous. In today's session, I am going to discuss about how you can implement basic level security in PowerShell. Though it is not foolproof, but this is all we have. So let's begin. So today we will discuss about securing your PowerShell script using certificate signing. Before proceeding, we need to check what kind of permission in your environment you have to run the PowerShell script. To check that, we need to go to command prompt in elevated permission and then check the permission. So let's start. So I will go and write the command prompt and I will select run as administrator. Once the command prompt is open, I'll change to PowerShell console. Once I am in a PowerShell console, I need to check what kind of permission I have in PowerShell on execution. So I can type get execution policy. This will return the current policy which is showing restricted. You can find any other permission in your machine that is machine dependent. To implement this signing authority, we need to change this execution policy to either remote sign or all sign. So let's check how to change this policy. For that, we need to set the execution policy and I will assign it to all sign. Let's check if the policy is implemented or not. Yes, now it is all signed. What this means is now any script that is not signed by a certificate cannot run on this machine. So it's the basic facility where the unwanted script or anyone who is writing the script cannot run their script on this server anymore. Now the second part, where you need to sign your own code for the protection. For that, first of all, you need a certificate. Either you get a certificate from your organization or you can create your own self-signed certificate. Today, I am going to discuss about self-signed certificate. Before proceeding, we need to create a certificate and import that certificate in your personal store and you have to add it to the trusted store. Let's check. Here it is my certificate store, as you can see on the screen. This certificate store is a personal certificate. There is only one certificate and that is not signing authority certificate. It's a self-signed certificate but it's not signing authority. So we need a code signing authority certificate. For that we can use PowerShell to create that kind of certificate. So let's me open a PowerShell scripting window for your better understanding. We all know PowerShell ISE is default PowerShell editor. To create a certificate, we need to provide few details like this. This script will create one certificate that is of type code signing certificate. So this certificate can sign any code we are writing in PowerShell. The name of the script is the certificate is PS signing. You can change this name as per your convenience. Let's run this. Okay. So now you can see the thumbprint and subject is all done. There's no error. Let me check in my certificate store if the certificate is there or not. So I need to refresh it and yes, we have a certificate. So the first step is done, that we have created the certificate. Now this certificate is not trusted because you have created it on your own machine. To make it signable, you have to add it to the trusted zone. For that, you need to just copy and paste it to root trusted root certificate authority. Just right click and paste. When you will be trying to paste it, it will give a warning because you are going to install a certificate that is going to be trusted in the machine. So just check, because I know this certificate is created by me. It's good. Yes. So now it is installed. And also you need to do it on the trusted publisher as well. So in both way, it will not ask for anything because already it is trusted in the root certificate. So now 2 steps are done. Now we need to write our script and check how to sign it. So I am writing a very small script. Let's write a basic test connection. www.google.co.in. So this is a simple script that is checking the ping. I can run this to check, yes, it is working. That is perfectly fine. Now I want to encrypt this script so that nobody can change this script, or they change it. I understand that this should not run. So first of all, I have to save this script. Let me save the script. So I have a location and I am naming it as a P. Okay. So now I have a script. The name is P. This script I can open here in Notepad. This is a simple script. You can run it here. That's perfectly fine. Now you can question that when I have no signing or is done on this script, still is running. Why it is running? Because I am running it from my ISE. If I try to run this from my command prompt, it will not run. Let me check. Go to CMD, go to PowerShell. Now I'm in PowerShell. I'll browse to the path. And I have a P dot. So let's run this code, try to run it. See, now there's the error because you can't run because this script is not signed yet. So let's sign it. Signing process is very simple. We can just go and check my certificate authority. For that, we need to check whether the code signing certificates are available or not. Let me check. See, it is now giving the one certificate available, that is PS signing, that you can use. Now I will use this to set my certificate as signed. So now the authenticate signature I am putting on this P and the certificate value. Let's run it. Perfect. There's no error. So that means it is perfect fine. Now if I try to open this PS file, we will find a significant difference there. Let me open it. See, now you can see a block of encryption signature is added to the script. Just run it on your terminal to understand if it is running or not. Now it is running because the script is now signed. Now you all have a doubt that how it is secure now, because still I can see the script and I can modify it. So let's try to modify the script. I will change it to .com. It was in co.in. Now I am changing. I saved this file and I just want to run this script again. See, this is not running, though the command is fine, www.google.com. it is valid. If I run this here, it will run the same command, But if I running this script, it will not run because there is some changes made after the script was signed. So by this way, only this script can run when you have the same configuration like before, and now I can run it perfectly. Though this is very basic and not that effective, but by using this, implementing this policy in your production environment, you can safeguard that if there is any changes in the script, maybe that unintended or maybe by accident, the script will not run. In turn, it will help you to avoid disasters, and also you can track whether somebody has changed something or not, and you can revert it from your backup. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.